Disassemble the steering wheel bolt. Install the steering wheel. Tighten the bolt and press the cover plate. Install the left side brush. Install the right side brush. Fill the water tank with water. Insert the key and turn on the ignition switch and key switch. Headlight switch. Main brush switch. Side brush switch. Water spray switch. Dust removal vibration switch. Horn switch. Open the machine side cover. Adjust the side brush up and down using the knob. High pressure water pump. Machine charging demonstration. Remove the garbage bin before opening the top cover. Foot pedal. Accelerator pedal. Brake pedal. Behind the brake pedal is the parking brake pedal. D for move forward. N for neutral. R for move backward. Demonstrate the sweeping effect.